video, I'll be making a palazzo trouser with elastic band and side pocket. To determine the fold of my fabric, I'll be dividing the round hip measurement by 4, and I added additional 4 inches to it. So I have a total of 40 inches. So first off, I'll place my tape rule here to take out the band measurement of 2 inches. Here, I'll mark it. On this place, I will determine the waist to hip length, which is 7 inches. For the crunch length, I'll add 3 inches to it, making a total of 10. Making a total of 10 inches. Then I'll take my tape rule down to determine the length of the palazzo. The length of the palazzo is 42 plus 1.5 hemming allowance. I will extend all of this to this part. On the crotch line, you divide, on the hip line, you divide your round hip measurement by 4. The round hip measurement is 37. So 37 divided by 4 will give you 9 1/4, but I'll make it a total of 9.5 inches. So I'll place it on the crotch line as well as on the hip line, also on the waist line. Now connect the 3 lines together. For me to determine my crotch extension, I can either divide the 9.5 inches that I got from dividing the round hip measurement into 4 parts, divided by 4. That will give me a total of 2 1/4, but I'll make it 2.5. Or I can also decide to make use of the standard measurement of 3 inches. So I'll be using the 3 inches measurement. Now you can come out by 1 inch and extend. For this palazzo, we now have the crotch length. So I'll take a total of it, place my tape rule here, and this is a total of 13 inches. So this 13 inches, I will extend it to the length of the palazzo. This is the 13 inches, and I'll take it down. I also place my tape rule here at this middle part, 13 inches. Use my ruler to connect all the points together. At the waist part, I'll come down by 1 inch. Take it off, but remember, I will not be cutting it out now until we are done. So this is for the front part of the palazzo. I'll go ahead now and cut it out, then I'll now use the part to cut the back part. I've gone ahead to place the front panel to the back panel. So first thing first, on the waist part, I'll go up by 1 inch on this part, not here but here. I'll go up by 1 inch. That is for that. Then for the back crotch extension, I'll come out by 3 inches. I'll extend it by 3. On the hip part for the back, I'll come out by 2. And I'll take it all down and extend to this back crotch. Take my ruler and connect like this. Here I'll be extending this crotch extension down. So since I made use of 3 inches, I'll extend it using the same 3 inches all the way down. I'll place my ruler and connect. So right now I'll go ahead and cut.